Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of North America, our second video on the North America map. And we got a good start on the first video, just talking about the ocean areas, and we didn't get too much into the map, but we're gonna do a little bit of work on the map now. You can see I did label the Arctic, Pacific, and Atlantic, and now I think we'll start in the southern area of the map. Let's put S on the compass rose just to indicate we're going to be working down in the south, the southernmost part. There's an isthmus, a very narrow piece of land that connects North America to South America, and there's about 7 countries. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 countries that we have to label for Central America. This is Mexico here. Okay, and I thought sometimes I'll do this when I'm doing a map just to kind of get myself ready. I'll do a little sketch map of the area, and you'll see how simple it is. I'm just going to draw. This is the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. And then I'm going to try to sketch in those 7 countries a little bit. This will be like a little practice map. Let's see, it kind of goes actually like this. Whoops. I know what I did wrong. Okay, you got the country that comes out like this. Okay, then you've got, that was that one. And you've got a small one along the coast. And you've got that bigger one over here. And then you've got another, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got another one over here. That's that one. And we got 2 more. This is just a simple sketch to show. See, here's Mexico going up, and here's where Central America meets South America. And here's Mexico up here. Okay, so I've done a little research, and I know that this is Belize. I'm just going to write them quickly. Okay, this would be Guatemala. You can see the spelling, Guatemala. That's good practice. Okay, then you've got this, let's see, this is small country just south of Guatemala, El Salvador. Okay, I'm not being too particular about the writing on this one. This one starts with an H. You can see that's Honduras, Honduras. I'm going to write it much neater when I get to the Nicaragua. Check. I'll check it. Nacaragua. Okay. We've got 2 more countries, Costa Rica and Panama. You know, I'm just kind of scribbling. I'm going to do it much neater on the main map, but I just wanted to go over those countries and make sure I have them. Belize, Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. Okay, so with my pencil, I'm going to use some of these bigger countries. I can probably fit it right in the country. Like, let's do Honduras. I'm going to use all capital letters. This pencil is pretty sharp, but I think I might switch to a mechanical pencil. A little bit sharper, finer line. Make sure I Yep, I got it. Honduras, Honduras. All right, that country fit right within its borders. I might be able to do that with Nicaragua too. Now, I'm going to just point out a rule that I'm going to try to follow throughout this map. If you notice, when I wrote Honduras, I tried to write it kind of level. And that is the preferred method of, now look at my letters are going to go a little bit into the ocean area. That's okay. They extend a little bit off the coast, out of the boundary of the country. But you'd notice how I put them nice and level. That's what we're going to aim for whenever possible. If all your words are nice and level for the country names and state names and provinces and whatnot, it's a lot easier to read. Okay. Now here's another little trick that you can use. This is a way of labeling a small area that you may not be able to fit it within that country. I'm just going to label Belize, B-E-L. I'm going to use a leader line. See how I put a little line going off to the side? Belize. Okay. We've got a small country right here as well. I might use that same method. This is, look at our sketch map, Costa Rica. I might be able to fit Panama in there, but I think instead, I might just put it with a leader line, which will allow me to write it a little bigger and neater, not so curvy. And take note, I'm using all capital letters on my actual map. I used lowercase on the sketch map, but on the finished map, I want to make it a little bit nicer. I want those countries to stand out, so I'm using all capital letters. That's a common method when you're labeling countries. Okay, this map right here, this country right here is El Salvador. Give yourself enough room to write it with I'll put it on 2 lines. Alright, I was able to fit that. And then we have one more country, Guatemala, which I might, if I wrote it on an angle, maybe I could fit it, but I'm gonna write it over here. Guatemala. And I'll just put a little leader line like that. Okay, so let's go over the countries real quick. Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 countries we just labeled. Now, we can eventually color in those countries, but I just want to show you how we can indicate the water on this map. Just a little bit of blue. I'm not going to go too dark. Just a nice little edging of blue, where we don't need to write anything anymore. We've labeled those countries, so now I know I can go ahead and put a little shading of blue right down. Here's where Panama reaches into, touches upon South America, and maybe I'll even go ahead and label that big continent. That's another map we're going to be doing in the future. We're going to be doing South America as well as all the other continents. But all right, I'm going to just do a little bit more on the water, and maybe I'll label the Caribbean Sea in preparation for the next video. But I think that's quite a bit of work right now. We can sort of touch it up a little bit and make sure it's nice and neat, and add a little bit of that coastline. Well, let's take a break now, and we'll go into some more on the map on the next video. Thank you.